Want to try WhatsApp's latest features? Here's what's new and how to use them. First, live group voice chat works like a walkie-talkie. Open WhatsApp, tap the group name and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You'll enter a real-time voice session where anyone in the group can speak without making a formal call. When you're done, simply exit. The conversation isn't recorded. Next, you can call an individual from within a group chat. Open the group, tap the phone or video icon, then tap the group name at the top to view members. Choose the person you want to call and tap call. Their voice call starts immediately, and the group's call log remains untouched. Finally, there's a new multi-photo layout for status updates. From the Chats tab, tap the Status tab and then Add to My Status. Select Layout to pick up to 6 images from your gallery, choose from the layout options, and arrange them as you like. You can add music, text, and tags before posting. When you're happy, tap Send and your collage appears as a single status update. Try out these tools today to keep your WhatsApp conversations fresh and creative. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite new feature in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.